Yeah, okay, guys. So let's just start it. Actually, the some personal work is came now, guys. So don't worry. I'll not start today operator, but I'll complete assertion, right? Assertion. Today we will complete assertion. Then I'll stop the session because some work is came now.
No
So
problem.
yeah. So let's complete assertion. If we connected, then just 10 to 15 minutes will take assertion. It will not take much time. So operator we will start tomorrow. Operator concept now. So okay, so now let's discuss about that assertion now, guys. Let's start our assertion discussion now. Assertion discussion now. So what is the type assertion? Type assertion. Let's make this one in the between. Type assertion. Assertion, right? What is the type assertion and what in when we are using in the TypeScript, guys? So I know, I hope the people know about that typecasting in another languages, right? Typecasting in another language. Come on. Hmm? No one is giving the response. Why?
Yes, sir.
TypeScript in another language. Same like what is that? In the TypeScript we are saying that what? Type assertion. Type assertion in the TypeScript now, guys. So why we are using type assertions to tell the compiler? Okay, so whatever exactly we are dealing with what, with which data type, so that one, so object type to convert in that similar same exact the object, right? Exact the object means what is that type assertion? Type assertions are a way to tell the compiler that we know we know exactly with what exactly with what type of data, we are we are dealing dealing with dealing right? Dealing with. Now what is that assertion in another language? What we are saying in another language, guys? Typecasting. What we are saying now, we are saying in another language, it is a typecasting only. Type assertion. Type assertion is like typecast. Typecast in other other language. Other language, right? So exact meaning is what, why we are using the assertion? So it is the process of making the compiler understand about the data type by converting the type now, guys. Okay, so exact meaning is, if you understand in the low level language, that is what it is the process of making the compiler understand about the data type data data types by converting the type by converting the type then how many ways we can handle these things now in the TypeScript now? So these are there are two type two two method, we can say two methods of handling type assertion. type assertions, right? Now what is that? First way is by using what is that? By using what is that? Angular sorry, angle, not angular, angle bracket, angle bracket. What is that? This is the angle bracket. Now another one is what is that? By using as keyword, now. So this as keyword only frequently we will use. We will not use this one because whoever .NET developer, they habituate about that, but some issue will be there, right? Those issue we will not deal with what is that in the programming. So that is the reason we will use what is that? This one only, this one only now. So just I'm taking what is that? One example now, guys. Just I'm taking one example and I'll show you, right? I'll show you what is the problem, without these things now. So what is that? Let's develop one example now. So I'm taking what is that? Let I'm taking what is that? Let's take a message. Let's take message is what is that? I'm taking what is that? Any type. In that, what I'm doing now? Welcome to TypeScript. I'm taking what is that? Welcome to TypeScript. Now I want what is that? I want to count the letter number, right? Letter. I want to count these letters. How many letters are? How many numbers is there, right? These letters numbers I want, right? Then what is that? How we are doing now? We will take let number. Sorry, let we will take what is that? Count and number we will take. We will take what? Number. And simple, what we will do it now? Message, then see dot. But whatever counting number method is there, function is there, it's not suggesting. Our compiler isn't suggesting. Why? Because if we can write it like that also, length, but we are not getting any suggestion, right? We are not getting any suggestion. Why? Because our compiler isn't understanding what is that. This is the string type, and what we are doing now, you are simply thinking about that you are converting, but we are counting now. So what we will do it now? Then we will take the help of what? These two ways to convert these things. Then our compiler also will give the suggestion. Our compiler also will start to giving us suggestion. Now how we can do it now? Simple, nothing extra things we will do it now. Simple, what we will do it now, guys? We will typecast. Now open bracket and sorry, let's write like this. Now open curly bracket, open bracket and a close bracket. Inside that we will use angle bracket. Now we will take what is that? String. We will take string. I want to convert this message, right? This message I want to convert in the length. See, all related to function is presenting or not. Our compiler is giving the suggestion, use the length function to convert what is that? To convert this string in the number, right? Come on, guys. Suggestion we are getting, right?
Okay.
Suggestion we are getting. Now here what is that? Now console dot log, inside that what is that? Now we can print total, total number of what is that? Chars is what is that? Let's take dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and let's take count number. Now compile it.
Yeah.
Character is there.
Got it.
21 character is there. But what is that? many languages, right? Many languages is meaning is different in this angle bracket. This angle bracket meaning is what is that? Different in the another middleware framework. If you are talking about that, any several middleware frameworks are there. What is that? That one isn't understanding this one. That those middleware framework isn't understanding what is that, this angle bracket. Then what is that? Then we are using what is that, different as. We are using what is that, as keyword to work on it. We are using what is that, as keyword to convert one type to another type. Now another type. So how we are using now, how we are, simple guys, simple, nothing extra, just what we will do it now. Instead of writing like that, we will write what is that, we will take open bracket and a close bracket. Inside that we will take msg, message as, right, message as string type. That is what, string type. Now okay, now I want length. I want what is that, length. That is string type length. I want simple. Then if we want, if we run that, don't think about that this is the generic type. Okay, generic type we will enter in whenever we will enter in the what is that, not
Diamond of
sorry, in the OOP concept. In the OOP concept, there we
yeah.
will understand those things as a clearly. But don't think this one, right? Before that I used the angle bracket. Now don't think that angle bracket is a generic type. No, that is not a generic type. Now compile it and
Means we
run.
have a two. Okay. Means we have a two options. We
Yeah,
can use.
we have two options, but we will use what is that, this option only, because so many
Okay.
what is that, so many middleware services are there. Those middleware services isn't understanding what is that, angle bracket. Paste it. Example, right? Example. Now another one is what, let's copy this one, same only, copy this one and paste it. And here let's make this one as a, what is that, msg, sorry. Now inside that angle bracket, inside that angle bracket, take a string and make this one an msg. This is the example 2. This is 2. This is, make this one as a m. So let's take one small note. Why I take a note? Right, let's take one small note. Several middleware frameworks, right? Frameworks can understand as hence it is the most commonly used techniques for type assertion. Type assertion now guys. Now based on that, what is that, this is a small discussion about the type assertion now guys. So tomorrow we will start what is that, operators. Tomorrow we will start operators as well as what, control flow. Tomorrow we will start what is that, once we completed once we complete operator, then we will start control flow. Once control flow will complete, we will start OOP concept. In the OOP concept, what is the polymorphism in the TypeScript, what is encapsulation, what is the static, what is the non-static, these things we will start to understanding. Then we will understand enum, then we will understand generic, type, then after completing these things, then in one more things is left in that. Yeah, these things only. Then we will start Angular. Most probably we will start, what is that? This weekend and the next weekend. Next weekend, I think we will complete our TypeScript. Next weekend we will complete TypeScript, then we will start Angular. So once this basic will complete, right, this language level things will complete. When once we will enter in the what is that OOP concept, guys, how we will design that, what,
Basic concept.
yeah, classes and all those things, same like in the Angular, those things will become template and a component. So please learn TypeScript carefully, guys, because again, once if I enter in the Angular, this concept I will not explain. This concept directly I will use. That is the reason we are expending more time. No one will spend in the TypeScript this much time by paying the money. Also, it's my guarantee, guys. Even though I can, if you want, I can write it also in any institution. If you pay also, that person will teach this much TypeScript, then come to me. It's 100 to 10% guarantee. No one will teach you guys this much TypeScript and this much depth TypeScript. Nothing I'm leaving. Anything I'm leaving, guys?
No, no,
No.
no.
No, Ravi.
Yeah. So you guys are getting good amount of knowledge here, guys. So,
Yes, yes.
So
No doubt.
please utilize it. Please utilize it. And this is only our life, guys. Our software engineer's life is this one only, except that nothing. Doing the coding, analyzing the things, resolving the problems, solving the problems, how much we are analytically good to resolve that issue and all those things. Okay, this is our life only. Please focus on this area. Make this one as a priority. Accept that everything will come to you. Because in this world, I only realize that thing, if you have the money, if you have the position, then only people will give the respect. Except that no one will give the respect. Who are you? Who I am? No one will knows, right? So just only one thing, whatever things is making us beautiful and smart, do that work. Except that other things will come to you by default. No need to stress yourself also. So now actually I have one work, guys. Okay, so my dad is calling, no, so that is the reason. At the time, once I taken 15-minute break at the time I called him, so that work I need to complete it now. So that is the reason I'm stopping the session here itself only, but otherwise today I will complete the operator also. But the thing is, I need to complete that work because I have also time in the weekend only, guys. In the weekdays, my weekdays is, every day. Our company is not like running in the hybrid mode. Every day we need to go office. So that is the very stressful life is there in the. So I need to complete that work now, guys. I'm stopping our session here itself only. We will meet tomorrow. See you guys. We will meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. same time. Okay, bye.
Ravi.
Bye.
Bye.
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah. Anyone?
Yeah, Sakti here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, actually, I asked one of my friend for